Chris next door. That nigga let AMP drive his brand new supercar, 28 fucking minutes long. Let me get like 5 likes. You can do that.
Bro, what is you eating, my nigga? You eating loud as shit, my nigga. What are you eating, bro?
Yo, what the fuck?
It's Chick-fil-A. Whoa.
So I had Chick-fil-A the other day, and I'm be honest, that shit is mid.
Yeah, this shit earlier, and this shit is good as fuck. Hold on. Oh, wait.
Like, it's good.
Sunday. But this shit good as fuck.
No, it's fine. Yo, guess what I got?
What's up, man?
What the fuck? Chris on his directive creative shit. Chad, we know, trust these.
There's a spider! Come back!
Okay, yeah. Chris next door, fucking on that. Woo! Up next.
Yo, I know it's been a while.
Up next.
It's been a while. It's been a while. I forgot the password. To the channel. Alright? But we back again, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, he forgot the password.
I know that Kai, you know, he has his Mercedes and
Talk to him.
Lamborghinis.
Okay.
He has every car in the book. Alright? He got his Jeep. Van got his BMWs and stuff. And Lambo. And Davis has a Tesla, you know, and that's pretty cool. I really fuck with that style of car, that style of driving. Yo, me ain't gotta drive with no hands. I wanted to get something that fit me. Chris, why you don't get a car? Why you don't spoil yourself? Why you don't
Spend your money.
You been working hard, black man. Black man, you been working. Bro,
I love
I'm
a nigga.
not a materialistic person. Like,
Talk
I'm
to
not,
him.
bro. I'm not a materialistic person. That's not me, bro. I don't really care. I just do what I do.
Facts, Chad. A lot of people, like, they come in my house and they see the things I have, the cars I have, bro. But, like, to be honest, I genuinely didn't give a fuck about it. Like, when I got one of my dream cars, right, Chad, it didn't do nothing to me because I wasn't happy. I wasn't where I wanted. Really, I wasn't happy because I didn't know where I wanted to do with my life. Like, I was about to graduate high school. And then it was just like, yeah. Like, I was taking streaming serious, right? But it was still like, you know, it was doubt. But now it's like, it's no doubt. Like, I'm there. Feel me? And I'm saying, plus I was like, how to make, and I was like, I got businesses.
Tomorrow,
Niggas having businesses.
I'ma show this to my
Niggas doing
AMP
businesses.
brothers. I'm seeing if they fucking with the car or not, bro. I'm
Talk to
seeing
me.
if I can get a garage spot, man. I'll catch y'all later, man. Might have to, like, make the garage bigger. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Okay, what type of car you got, nigga? You got a fucking watch.
You make me happy. This some shit they play, boy.
It's no way. I'm surprised y'all niggas don't have this through y'all collection because y'all have a lot. Whoa, y'all have a lot of cars.
So you think it's the best car out of every car that's in there? Over the Lamb truck, over the Hellcat, over the plaid Tesla.
Are we not gonna talk about ChrisNext getting bald? Look, Chad, I'm gonna be honest. When you get these dreads, right, and you're getting like, you feel me? You know, and you're getting these dreads and you're getting older, like that. Like when your forehead starts to get that lean, he got an arch. His forehead, like it's a, I won't say BBL, but it's a skinny BBL for sure. Look, it's like when you got that forehead, like this is the forehead, right? My lining is here. Kai's lining is like here. You see what I'm saying? It's levels to this shit. That's what I'm saying. Kai's lining is there. Boy, I think like look right here. You see what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna go back any farther. I feel like if it does, you might as well go bald. Because like, and then yo, this phase of the dreads, bro. When Kai was trying to get hoes looking like these, I'm sorry. You look sexy now, brother. You look sexy now. Maybe it took you to get older, but I know everybody got them rough stages. Like when my hair was low, my shit was chopped. This nigga was chopped. Right there. Right there, he looks alright. He's cute. But right here. Oh, y'all can't even see. But right here. Hide your bitch. Hide your bitch. Hold on. Hide your bitch. Nah, that's not nigga. So like, you know what I'm saying? But right here, you was ugly as fuck, nigga. Like, I don't even know how you did it, brother. How did you come back? It's like, nah, I've came back from worse, but it's like, nigga, that's me. Nigga, that's you. You feel me? I don't even know, bro. It was levels to this shit. Kai actually don't look that bad, bald. He don't. I mean, his hair is lumpy, but don't know how he was getting his dick sucked. But I think he was lying about all the bitches he got. Now, you know what I'm saying, he on 10. But back then, he's on 4.5.
This nigga agent got a fucking, what they call that shit, a black wing. You think you got your shit better than that? I better see a fucking Cybertruck or a tank in that bitch. You dropped that shit.
I got that shit.
No, but you dropped that shit.
I dropped that shit.
Okay, you dropped that shit.
Come on, bro.
Okay.
What, did he post pics on the ground?
Nigga, I'm ready, nigga. Do I close my eyes, that shit?
Yeah.
Bro, if this nigga's trolling, I swear to God.
I got you. Watch your step. Watch your okay. Watch your step. Watch your step. Oh, my bad. All right.
Yo, these niggas got buku cars. Cause I said
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
this nigga's the troll, bro. That hoe's hard. That hoe's hard, but this nigga's the troll. Like, he gotta march his bitch up, chat.
Talk to me. This is your car? Yeah. This right here? Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
How you hung? First of all, how the fuck did he get it here?
I drove it.
How?
What do you mean, how, nigga?
There's no way this shit starts up.
Is it an SS? If it's an SS, I'm fucking with it. If it's an SS, I'm fucking with it.
Listen, my nigga.
What the?
I'm back. This was originally supported to be in the original Fast and Furious. However, British removed.
Okay. Alright, let's be honest. You gonna really get bitches in here? At least get a fucking detail and shit. Oh my fucking god. Bro,
You fucking up the whip.
so does this car make you happy?
Oh yeah, that's what it's all about, bro.
It make you happy, bro. It make you happy, bro. So, can I get a garage spot? Nah, I think you could like park down the block.
Nigga, this some bullshit.
I think you could park down the block. Hey, I need a garage spot.
Nah, you don't. Not with this shit.
What are you talking about?
Nah, I don't want to check nothing.
Yo, niggas is not putting the Beamer. Ooh, the C36, man, you want to suck a nigga dick.
Got a headrest. Dude, she got airbags, nigga.
Yo, this nigga.
Yo, you fucking tight, man.
How?
I know phantoms like that aggressive friend that want to touch on niggas. You know, fat niggas got that rage.
OD? No?
But phantom not fat.
OD
He
shitty.
Dominican.
What the fuck is this, bro? How much you pay for this?
I put 30 down. 30 down.
30 what?
30 down.
$30?
Nigga.
Yo.
Nah, this shit big hard. Hold on.
Is it rear-wheel drive?
Yeah, you get a workout while you rolling your window.
Let's get in this minute. Let's go take a spin. Let's take a spin. I'll be back.
Go spin that hoe. Go spin that hoe.
Huh?
Yeah, the radio works sometimes, so I gotta put the. I know y'all probably like more like the Lamborghini type.
No, I thought you was on. Yo, I ain't got a car. I dead see you in, and it's weird as fuck. But I see you in it. A BMW X6M. I'm telling you.
Is that better than this?
Nigga, ain't this better than this, bro?
You start beeping at these niggas, man.
This is crazy. I don't even know if it's a SS. If that's a V6, that's just trash. I got the V6, but I'm the VQ guy.
They are low key.
This is some dog shit. It don't got no touch signals.
Hey,
Excuse me. Just put your hand down.
Say my man just got a new V. Can you know what I'm saying? Can you scoop me later?
Do that girl watch anime? Yeah. She watch Attack on Titan, Hunter, Tokyo Ghoul. She actually watched more than me. Tokyo Ghoul, some like zombie shit, Villain Saga. You know what I'm saying? A couple other ones that really don't matter, man. What the fuck?
No. Alright, nah, that's cool.
I know her. Nah, she don't watch me. I would have kicked her out.
Yo, listen.
And I would have made her walk home.
Got a new V. Word. You want to know if you can scoop you later and shit. But I want to show you the V first, and you go from there, alright? If I can do what later? If you can link you later, you feel me? Have a good time. What's your man? Can I show you the car first? He wants you to see his car and then make your decision after. Nigga. Just come on. Let me just show you the car.
Show him the car.
Alright, bet. You looking at my camera? Yes. Alright, look. The steering wheel. Why you laughing at my man's car, bro?
Bitches be materialistic and shit, Chad. That's what I'm saying. When I was in the Black Nasty, the dirty, the 97 Camry with chip paint, squeaking down the wheels, cats off, stereo bumping, interior clean, outside disgusting, niggas made their jokes. Doors don't lock. Windows barely roll down. Sometimes have to open the door out the drive-thru. Niggas is on my dick. When in reality, I was the VQ god. Well, I mean, now I am. But, like, it's like, you feel me? It's levels to this shit. Niggas is talking about that piece of shit car. Bro, like, this is my baby. Like, I really miss her. Like, you playing this shit. Like, if she was a girl, I'd punch dick.
Yo, he's in the car.
In the exhaust.
Nah, she don't need. Oh, you good? Let me get two strawberry vent to your size.
With water or lemonade?
With water. Man, you don't fuck with the Vito? Like, this shit hard. I got Bluetooth and shit.
Oh my god, you like this?
Look at this shit. You know what I'm saying?
She said Bluetooth?
And it's red, nigga.
Dang shit.
Wow.
She can't be bad. I said she fine. Talk to him.
You feel excited? Wait, what?
Like, she gonna feel like a nigga finna shoot that bitch out. Bitch is like danger. It's like, when I get a hood bitch, she gonna come home late. If we ever together, I'ma smack the fuck out of her in her face. I'ma smack the fuck out that bitch. Cause bitch is like danger, nigga. I'ma pull my pistol out, right? I'ma say, you come out. Where the fuck was you at, nigga? Where the fuck was you at? What? Don't play with me. Choke her by her neck. Tell her stop. Get in the fucking room. Throw the bitch in the room. I was like, where the fuck you at, bitch? You was out late and shit. Nah, I don't want to hear that shit. I heard you was with your friends and shit. But you're not gonna. Nah, I was like, blah. I was like, word. She like, I miss you though. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I know the fuck you did, bro. Go get us something to eat. I got. No, I'm saying, go pick up the food. Doorbell ring, ding. Chick-fil-A. Oh, you want me Chick-fil-A? Man, hurry up, man. Get what you got. Know what I'm saying? Then she gonna suck my dick, right? And I'm gonna have my gun out while she's sucking my dick, right? And I'm gonna put my dick next to her cheek while she's sucking it. She gonna be like, guap, 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 guap. Have my gun on her face. The vibes is there. She gonna be like, I love me a nigga with excitement. Shut the fuck up, bitch, and eat dick. Now, while she guac my shit, double fisted sloppy toppy, she gonna say, you need this, nigga. Put my legs in the air. Next thing you know, I got my ass ate. And that's hypothetical. That's hypothetical. But like, I'm not planning now. I just said that's hypothetical. Nigga, this is
you got bad choice of words.
Oh, where's she from?
I need an anime now. I need me an anime. Bro, look. Go watch Gangsters. You feel me? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Oh yeah, so they got weird lingo.
Yeah, they got different lingo.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Talk about like what's that? You know what I'm saying?
The color of your car, I'm loving the red.
So like 1 out of 10, like what would you give it?
I'll give it a solid 4.
Damn.
Because that's
I bet. 3 out of 10 is crazy.
Do you guys need straws?
Nah, I'm good. Oh! Oh!
No! Come on, bro. Come on, I just got this car, bro. No, stop.
Bro, Phantom is dumb childish. Bro, me and that nigga had to blend. Run that nigga over. Why that nigga gotta rock go? Fucking man. Is that really Chris Carr, bro?
She want double C, just met her at the double tree. She brought her friend to meet me, now they wanna have a trio.
Come on here, Rick.
For Lost Fendi.
Okay, for Lost Fendi, why did you foul me during this basketball game? I have a video to shoot. Alright, I wanted to show my A&P brothers.
What's wrong with that nigga eye?
No. Listen. Now I wanted to show Asian.
Are those diamonds?
I know
That was a hard.
Duke Cass is.
If I was a girl, I'd tongue kiss him.
I don't know where he at.
But that's gay though,
I
Chad.
didn't mean to foul you, bro. Like, I was trying to grab the ball, and then your head just, like,
Bro.
came. I actually got injured, too. I ain't gonna lie. Like, my middle finger is done, bro.
You jammed your fucking middle finger into my eye.
I did something.
Hey, David, get your ass out here. Come on. God, let me show you my car, nigga. I'm agitated now. Come on now.
I don't think you have a car.
I'm angry right now. I will fight.
Get that thick bitch. Yo, getting behind Davis is a fucking pleasure at this point,
Hold on,
bro.
keep walking. This is my baby right here. Shot the lead. Is it
Bro,
that?
it's buku cars at the AMP house. These niggas need to get external storage, bro. Isn't Duke supposed to be getting a Hellcat? A nigga put it on his hood, Chad. We're not gonna talk about that, though. We're not gonna talk about how Duke didn't scamp us out of seeing this nigga in a fucking Hellcat is spinning out.
Boom.
He might get it though. He said he gonna get it.
I think this
He
is
ain't say when. He ain't say when.
What is it?
It's a Camaro. It's a Camaro supercharged turbo engine. Bro, this is my shit. You want to take a look inside?
Wait. That's like, it just reminds me of like an erect penis.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, stop fucking moaning,
Bro, this shit hurt, my nigga. What if you got a middle finger lodged into your eye, my nigga? That shit wouldn't be fucking light, would it? You would be over here just like me, nigga. So shut the fuck up.
Chris, you're vulnerable right now. I could really do something to you.
Oh
nigga.
my
Not like that. Just
That was
It got a good start up. It's not deep though. It's not like deep.
This shit sound like a mother.
Hit that bitch. Slap. Why? Oh, are down. I'm gay. No, I'm not. Okay. Yeah.
What you got going on here? Why you on the floor?
because nigga, I got foul and my eye hurt. This the new whip.
This is it?
This the new whip.
Get in.
Hey, 2 ways. God damn.
God, dude.
Oh, we got the leather interior.
Bro, hurry
We got
the
the
fuck
carbon
up,
fiber
bro.
accents.
This can't be his actual whip, bro.
Steering wheel. We got the sport steering wheel.
ChrisNextDoor's a fucking
Oh,
clown,
you
bro.
check this out.
Mopar game.
Oh, you see Mopar too?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. How much horsepower?
It's like 450 before I charge it. Yeah, it's like
450 before the supercharge. Oh shit! What engine you got in there?
Where the camera
I
at?
got a fucking
Where's the camera at? The camera on my fucking face? Nigga, shut the fuck up. What are you talking about, nigga?
Gotta be a beast.
This camera? Yo, chat, what's the word, bro? Vlog? You want me to vlog right now? You want me to vlog right now? What it do, YouTube? We're on stream right now. One in on top, taking in your favorite part in the house. Mr. Good Smile. Woo! Mr. Good Smile. Now look, man. My homeboy just said, this camera, right? I'm a vlog, right? When this girl come over, right? And what y'all gonna see is, right now, I'm finna turn this off. I'm finna text this bitch. Well, I haven't texted her all day, I'm gonna be honest. She might be like, oh, this nigga don't fuck with me. She might be like, this nigga don't fuck with me. He ain't text me all day. Then I'm gonna switch to the camera when we in the bed, man. And I'll be like, what you trying to do? Look. Hear me out, right? I thought I was gonna fuck off the first link because when she came to the house, she said, I was like, oh, it's raps. And she's, oh, your house is big. I thought it was raps. I thought it was raps. Said I thought I was gonna get the pussy off the first rip. But to be honest, I didn't want to fuck at the first link because she was too much of a vibe. I feel like if I would have hit her, decimated that pussy out the park, I think she a virgin. But it was just like on some shit like it just wouldn't have been. I think it's gonna be more genuine the second link. Probably gonna have to eat a pussy chat. I did just learn this new technique. Gotta put it to the test. 60 seconds was the record. Gotta put it to the test. You know what I'm saying? Bed over there. Chad, let's see if we can get this shit popping. You feel me? Mr. Smiley out, man. Nah, I don't even want to do one of those. I want to show you my dick. That was vlog 1, bro. Calm down.
Like 3 supercharged
I'm recording for my OnlyFans.
Driver central car. No funny shit. I fuck with these, like where everything angles towards you because fuck the passenger.
Hell yeah.
We got some goo in the cup holder too. That's tough.
Phantom through a cup of Starbucks.
That's character.
Should I tell her how to OnlyFans?
Okay. Question.
Where's the review?
No. Review.
I gotta use this?
No. Hold on. Question. No, it's a car behind you.
Okay.
Car behind you. It's 4 garages. It's 4 spots. Can I get a garage spot?
Hell yeah. You gotta take the land. You see the Urus in there?
Yeah.
Just take that one.
You talk to the owner of that car?
No, you gonna have to do that. You can fight, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
What happened to like this part of the steering wheel?
Rev that bitch.
You know how they usually got like a horn?
No, this is the design of the 1993 version. The other wire fell off because Phantom took it off, the other wire, but you usually connect and it makes the beep sound. But now you just yell.
Yeah. So we got AC too, tough.
AC.
It works?
Yeah, it works. Sometimes.
It's not working?
No, sometimes.
Oh, there we go. Just push it hot air, but it works.
His shit making noise.
How proud I am with a kid, man.
I know.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
That's the boy. Fuck Drake.
27.
That's the boy.
Driving yourself around, bro.
Yo, okay, sit quiet behind
does that.
No, don't just do that, my nigga.
You just hit
do
It's a Camaro?
Yeah.
Nigga, you didn't tell me that.
No, it's a Camaro.
Like Bumblebee?
Yeah, look at the fuck.
What?
Yeah.
Rev, bro, I cannot see. Am I the only nigga that can't see?
This ain't no regular shit, my nigga.
It's been in how many accidents?
No, just 5.
Just 5? That's not bad.
What's that?
Trident, I think.
That's Bay.
This is the name of my bitch.
That's what you be on.
My name of the car is Betsy.
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 Yeah,
Shout out to
looks like
Betsy,
a
man.
Yeah, good job, Betsy.
We're gonna publish you, bro. All you gotta do is buff out the paint, feel me? Get a new sporty steering wheel, you feel me? Reupholster all that cloth you got in that bitch. All you gotta do is drop the suspension, get a sports suspension on this bitch, get some cool little 50-inch, we can cook on the wheels. Look, you just gotta experiment on the wheels.
Cook on the wheels,
Get like a duck lip or some shit for the back, get it real sporty, drop that bitch.
Hold on, I gotta see this nigga car modded. I know it's sexy. What that shit called? 1993 Camaro? Chad, I don't know how to spell Camaro. I'm gonna keep it a stack. Custom. Okay. It's levels to this shit. They really don't look that hard. Chris shit low-key look better. I'll be like, this probably the best one. But that's dumb low. That's dumb low. He lives in Atlanta. I don't know if Atlanta's pothole city like Houston, but that's dumb low. Right? And then we got, you feel me? Nah, that's his car for sure. It's gonna take a lot, but he can get it right. I mean, I can get it right. Give me that hot. Give me that hot.
Man, this is gonna look like a brand new car. Feel me? That's all you gotta do. But hey, man, I'm proud of you, man, Chris. Real shit.
Thank you, man.
Feel me?
Thank you, man.
I don't know how you found a way to downgrade from the other car you used to have.
What you mean downgrade?
I meant upgrade, my bad.
Yeah. Where'd the logo go?
It came like that?
Be honest.
Don't lie, bitch.
That's probably why I couldn't tell it was a Camaro, man.
Nigga, the 1993 versions look like that, my nigga. You not. Bro, I hate when niggas don't know about cars. I hate when niggas don't know about cars. That shit piss me off. That shit piss me off. You don't know shit about cars.
Chris is like
Agent, you don't know shit about cars, my nigga.
a black white dude. If there's luck in the Joker area and these cuts hit us, hit us up.
You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
Pimp my ride.
Yeah, what's up?
What you think about this girl?
All them niggas vibing, chat.
She fine. I'm so worried.
Bro, she want me pull up, bro. She's straight.
I mean, she with that?
Hell nah.
Right, you should pull up then, bro, for real. Is you hungry, bro? I'm trying to get some eats.
Fuck yeah, bro. What you want?
What about Waffle House?
Fuck no.
What? Why?
Yo, chat, them niggas is like I'm vibing off them niggas vibing. Nigga, that's a double vibe. The vibes is immaculate. This is like a vibe train. Come on, man. Keep that fucking spit in your mouth. It ain't no dick right there. Imagine having to wear a beanie. Ooh, I remember. Oh, them niggas cooking it up. I don't even want to look at food. My stomach literally hurts.
I need a job.
So we don't have any managers here right now, but I can take you to the back and we have someone that can help you.
No, the nigga, see the nigga, what the fuck? Yo, is that to say Frost? Yo, Waffle House backrooms is something different, nigga. Hey, this is the fucking job application right here. You gotta be able to fight. FC chat. If you ain't never seen a movie Fight Club, oh man, you're fucking missing out. First rule when it comes to Fight Club, you don't talk about Fight Club. I forgot the second rule, I'm not gonna lie, but it doesn't really matter now, does it?
I don't need no pussy bitch workers.
Hell no.
Niggas is willing to die for this shit. I ain't impressed with the shit I've been seeing tonight. I'm gonna be honest. But I need a fucking fry cook. I need a new fry cook. So we gon' fight.
Afro record 2-1. Damn! Pound that nigga! Imagine if this shit was like real, like niggas just scavenging. This is gonna happen after the war.
Let's go! All right. Next fight. Mr. Tattoos. Yeah.
Okay.
Step up.
Stain shit.
Who else?
Get that nigga right there.
Who else? I want to fight.
What the? Didn't that dude break his hand?
Why are you standing behind him? I know he's ready. You can tell by his hand he's ready. Look at his hand. Look at his hand.
He's ready.
I'm ready. I know. I mean,
yeah. How about you? Let's fucking go. I'm ready. All right. Yeah. One more fight club. Yeah. All right. This nigga. You really want this job, don't you? You back again. You back again with a broken arm. You ready? Fuck yeah.
Yo, I would do this shit if Waffle House was paying like $100, like them UPS or $50 an hour, nigga. That's it.
This nigga ready?
Oh yeah, he's about to get his ass whooped.
I want a nice snack. Please fuck all that. What the hell's my club? Hey, what the fuck? What are you doing? Get over here. This nigga got his phone out.
He's snitching on the Fight Club, chat. Get his fucking ass, bitch!
Come on, not anybody. No phones. Y'all get in your corner. Waffle House Fight Club.
1, 2.
No fucking phones.
Talk to him.
Unless you want to fight, fucking phones. Fighters! Are you ready?
Gucci.
Go. Come on. You gonna let a nigga with shades hit your ass? Come on. Let's go!
That's one. Where he going? Where he going, chat? Where he going, chat? Bitch! Bitch! Bro just smacked him. Yo, this nigga. He the man. Ooh! What the fuck? Yo, Chad, that's slightly like one of my biggest fears, just to get knocked the fuck out. Like, but I don't know who knocked me out, right? I just remember I'm standing up. Then one moment I'm like, what the fuck? I'm on the ground, taking a nap. That nigga's the man. Somebody gotta sneak that nigga.
Best breakfast in Atlanta. Open 24 hours.
What
Join today.
Yo, if they're paying 50, I'm there. That my nigga. Let's get some oxtails, my nigga.
4448 Waffle House.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
The highly anticipated game is fine. It's crazy, chat, that I'm finna play skate. I might. Can't think of that. Yeah, nigga, I might play skate. I feel it, nigga. How I feel it, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Chris is the fucking homie. Like, he always be hitting licks, bro. He always be selling shit.
Chad, I used to want to be like this.
He sells the best fucking weed, bro. To all us, bro. He fucking blesses us up, bro. And like, he be hitting.
Yo, white niggas stink, right, Chad? Like, I didn't really get the stereotype of like white people smelling like wet dog until you actually smell a white person, chat. Then it's like, oh shit.
Mad licks, bro. He's the fire homie. And like, he's hella good at skating, you know what I mean? Like, I see him on the part, like, doing these tricks, bro. I swear to God.
You're a poser, I bet you don't even skate, bro. You look so goofy. You look more grabbing right now, bro. You poser. You're such a poser, bro. Poser, bro. Poser. You're such a poser. You wear a biker helmet.
Who wears a biker helmet in a skate park?
Nigga, you! Literally you! Literally you! I'm gonna show you little niggas how to really skate.
Oh shit.
Fuck you!
Bro, let's see it. Let's see you skate, bro.
Come on,
Skating
nigga.
is one of the hardest things you could do, chat. Like, I can balance. I can't do no tricks. Or I never dropped in or nothing.
Damn. Oh my god.
They should have painted his legs black.
Because of my life, my G.
Oh, his legs are black! Yo, Chris is on timing!
Right here. Can I get your autograph? Fuck no. Oh, at least he talked to me.
At least he talked to me? Oh, Chris, you're the best. Chris.
You think this skating shit is easy? You think this shit is... No, it takes a really fucked up person.
See what I mean? This shit is not.
I think skating is like ruining your knees, bro. I'm never skating. I don't think I can it's worth it, bro. Yo, if that nigga's on, if Chris on his cover is Skate 4, I swear to God, I'll pre-order that bitch right. Nah, I'm capping. I buy that hoe, but I'm not pre-ordering that. Ooh, shit. How you doing? Okay. Is she not coming like that? You feel me? No.
See what I mean? This shit is not easy.
It's not a game. Let me see something. Extra knee pads, 50 cents. So she got a. She gotta love, like when she make. She gotta love it on. She gotta love it on. She gotta love it on her. Hey, let the hoe rock. How you doing?
Good.
Just
lock this door. Yeah, you can lock it.
Okay.
Was there traffic?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
How you doing today, though? Like,
It's straight. But I'm
Chat, like, where's, like, see, look, chat, where's the bitches? I'm tired of giving the low. Like, I'm tired of getting, like, it's a couple of girls. I got the low, because obviously I'm picking bitches up. But I need a bitch with some motion, man. Like, why aren't these hoes having cars for real? Maybe I gotta start fucking with the older hoes, chat. Like I told y'all niggas what it was. I wasn't really on hoes my age anyway, cause I just wasn't attracted to them. But it's like maybe I gotta start fucking with the older hoes, cause these young bitches don't be having motion. Maybe I'm just natural born selective.
Maryland. Maryland's right.
Like on crib and shit. Like I'm not. It's really a risk going to a bitch crib, chat. Like, you know, we're in Houston. You might get lined. I ain't gonna lie. You might get lined. That I'm really tripping about them coming over, but like, you know what I'm saying? Picking bitches up, Ubering bitches back, or dropping bitches off. Not saying like I'm one of those. I'm just saying like.
Right here.
Oh, me too.
Really?
Things happen.
Yeah.
What part?
PG County.
Oh my gosh, me too.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
Yeah, this is true.
Oh, can I use the bathroom?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh my God! Shay, you ever just went in a girl's bathroom right at her house and like try to get a little bit no weird shit? I was in this bitch vlogging. I was like, look, chat. I'm finna trying to fuck this bitch. But I was trying to keep it on the low, cause you feel me? But I was in that bitch like, you know what I'm saying? Like what it is, like nigga, you him.
I'm a maniac, I'm finna fuck. Yeah.
But don't be in. Yeah, the bitches that be leaving their hair everywhere, bro, like, clean up, bro. Oh, loud. Yo, she finna siphon that nigga blood!
I really didn't want you to see this. I'm not supposed to come in here.
You crazy.
You know we gotta get them screenshots for the nails.
I'm just saying.
Another one right now. We can take another.
I took all of these for you. I took all of these.
Yo, relax. Relax, Chad. She's on his body.
I just really like pictures. And notes. Chris. I do not want to hurt you. I don't. Do you remember that one guy that said L Stream?
No.
You don't remember?
No, I don't.
Do you remember the one?
I'm a fucking streamer. I don't.
He said L Stream. You don't remember?
No,
Yo, please, bro, please let me out. I didn't mean it, bro. She broke into the house. She locked me up and shit. I didn't know how to.
But if your bitch not coming for you like that, I think you should leave her and fuck her mother. That's what I think you should do. Or her sister.
What are you doing? No. Get back in here.
No.
What the fuck? Bro, you can't be falling like that, bro. Get in that Camaro and get the fuck out of there. Wow.
I took 1,000 to the curb, nigga. I came up hand-in-handed. Was a ghetto little boy, but I always knew I'd make it happen. My mama see me on that billboard, said she can't believe I'm rapping. She know I came a long way from putting coke on that napkin. Nowadays we hop in 2-seaters and be cutting off the traction. Everything smooth, but my
Coke on the napkin. I knew that nigga did cocaine.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.